You understand that.
We are here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Up top, just a couple things we changed out. Brand new brass construction. So you got a brass T, brass shutoff valve, brass nipples in between, down to a Falcon stainless steel connector, and a brass connection. The reason for the T is you got some piping over here, goes overhead. This is existing galvanized piping, goes over to a laundry sink, so that's fine. But it had some old copper fittings in there, so we just took them out. Give you a brand new Falcon steel, and again, these are full 3/4 inch inside diameter. Falcon stainless steel connector for the cold line, and a Falcon for the hot line. On this side, just a brass T, and then a brass nipple. The reason being is you're not required to have a shutoff valve on this side, just cold water on the tank, and then down to a brass extension. We did strap this dual wall B vent that goes up through the roof. It's code because it's dual wall and it has the clearance from the wood, but it was just free floating in there. So what we did, we just took a pieces of plumber's tape right there and attached it, pulled it back so it's nice and tight. So now that's hanging. The weight of that is not just pushing down on this single wall B vent. So adjustable 90 piece of pipe, another adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter. Got the relief valve here. This comes with the unit. If you have too much temperature and or pressure, this thing's going to pop off. It's got a 150-pound spring. It'll pop off. It'll discharge out of this new line that we put in to your existing galvanized pipe, which drops down and then heads out toward the entryway of the home, probably in a flower bed out there, somewhere out there. So that's everything going on up here. Upper third, we got adjustable straps. They had them in place, but they just felt kind of spongy, so new straps. Upper third, lower third, we did give you a brand new gas valve. We like to replace all this stuff because if you call us out on just one service call, you're going to spend $250 to put a valve in. That's silly. So we do all this when we put our water heaters in, and that kind of sets you up moving forward. So brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector. Controller is right now set at 120. That is where we set it for liability purposes. As you can see, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So hot is approximately 120 degrees, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, it's third degree, burns in 3 seconds. So be mindful of that. You can feel free to turn it up or down depending on how you feel about it. But at hot, you can turn it on, stand in that water, get a nice hot shower, full 7 minutes before any scalding take places. And again, keep in mind, if you have infants or elderly with thin skin, it doesn't take as long. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.